Naija, and welcome once again to your Health Corner on top the Good Morning Naija show, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they summer you with all the better, correct information where you need to make sure say your body dey very, very kajad. We don't dey yarn you waiting arthritis be. We don't tell you as the thing they take happen to both man and woman. And yesterday we even begin they sent you some of the setbacks, that na limitations, na so Oyibo they call them, where some people where they get this arthritis they experience. And we won't continue the matter today. Say then talk say like US people they always talk am. Say 8 million adults they report this limitation matter because of arthritis. Unto say that they get severe limitation in their ability to bend down or to kneel down, or for some people self to even waka. That na small distance like this, they go quick tire. Then can also do research, discover say 31% of the adults wey don dey walk, wey get this arthritis, and reports say even for their work, for example for their office, the thing they make them not they perform like they supposed to perform. And even on top that one, they talk say people where they, even the normal things where they do, their essential daily tasks, everything, they don't notice say because of this arthritis, they know they do them well as they supposed to do them. So even their functionality generally, it can't be like say they're not fit even care for themselves or provide for their own family then. This now waiting this arthritis they do for some people. On top that one, it gets around 18% of the total disabilities where this arthritis or rheumatism they cause. It can make them one of the main common causes of disability. That now for people who not feel do different, maybe like some people who don't paralyze, or people who not feel waka well, or some kind of things. They don't discover say like 18% of them now this arthritis they cause them. On top that one, arthritis they also affect emotional health. Say some people because of this arthritis they suffer major depression with a risk of 18.1%. And this one, most of the time, now because, for example, as I did like this, I feel waka, I feel do all this, what I feel they do, all of a sudden, I not feel they waka again, I not feel enter kitchen, they cook for my children, or because of pain what they feel for inside my body. And so because of that, depression will come carry in kuru kere leg, come sit down for one place. On top that one, they can do extra research, can talk say around 6.6% of these adults with arthritis remain small, they could get mental colo. Unto say that they suffer severe psychological distress, plus the depression, plus plenty other gbege will come make them no go they very, very stabilized. From that one, they can't even discover say wetin Oyibo they call BMI, that na body mass index. Then don't discover say people will get this arthritis, the way they increase for their body, it depend on their body mass index. And like we don't talk on before for this place, body mass index, that one got to do with your proportion, the proportion of your size, whether you be underweight or you be normal weight or you be obese, you get obesity or you dey overweight. Anyone, they don't discover say whether they're the underweight ones, whether they're the normal adults, they say 20.3% of the overweight ones and 28.9% of the obese adults, all of them, they suffer this arthritis because of the gbege for fat for their body. On top that one, exercise. They don't discover say if you know they do physical activity or exercise, you will suffer well because it benefits people with arthritis. Also say it help to improve the pain plus the function and even their mental health, make them not for colo. So therefore, then see say 24% of adults with arthritis, they don't report say because they know they do physical exercise like that, it affects them as they take they healed from this problem, as compared to 18.6% of adults who no get this arthritis at all. Because if they do small low levels of exercise, you will see say people will get this arthritis that they reduce the risk when they follow this lack of activity, such as cardiovascular disease, that na disease where they disturb the heart, things like diabetes and even obesity. So what will be some of the risk factors? Risk factors now some of the things where you fit get for your body. We go call the cause where if them join them on top this arthritis, if they increase as person they get this arthritis. Well, time don't reach where I go waka comot. But if you follow me again, just so same time tomorrow, I go send you some of the risk factors where they follow this arthritis. And some of the things where you go get for your body, you go make this arthritis, make it worse, pass as it be. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija Show. I think I'll preach.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.